on OK. Click on OK. Today concept name is Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium having 4 components. Selenium ID, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Today concept of Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but already we discussed. It is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. Why? Because these are the programs. So directly we can't interact with these programs. We need one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This Selenium WebDriver programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. So today first concept, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Already I have Selenium WebDriver programs. That Selenium WebDriver programs I want to configure into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Today first concept. So today you can complete Selenium. So after today class you can work with any application comfortably. No need to come tomorrow onwards. Okay. So today class is Selenium WebDriver. After this class you can work with any application perfectly comfortably without my support, without any Google support, without anyone support. Directly you can work with any application. So first, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. So these are the WebDriver programs. These WebDriver programs we need to configure into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? So these are the 37 programs we have. These are the programs, 37 programs we have. These 37 programs we need to configure into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Now taking new project, Java project, click on next. New project I am taking cell group. Click on finish. No. Shell group. Now I want to configure that Selenium WebDriver programs. Right click on project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, choose the jars. So open, click on OK. Now this is Selenium WebDriver. So this is not Eclipse, it is a Selenium WebDriver. Now go to SRC, take the new class name is WD1. Keep the mark public static void menu, click on finish. Now writing WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. So interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Yesterday we learned only one line. That line is interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Interface is WebDriver. Reference name WD equal to new Firefox driver. Only this line, only one line purpose we learn Java. So now if you want to work with any application, WebDriver reference WD dot get HTTP facebook.com. It will open the Facebook page. So save, click on done. Here is no need of Java, no need to learn anything. Without knowing anything, directly we can work with Selenium. That is the concept Selenium. So it will open Facebook. Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. If you know only one that line, more than enough. Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. It will open Facebook page. Here is no need of Java. So without knowing Java, anything, without knowing anything, only one line we learn from Java. But without knowing anything, if you want Facebook is open. So if you want Gmail, it will open Gmail. If you want face any other one, so it will open. So if you want YouTube, it will open. YouTube.com. Save, click on done. It will open YouTube. If you want Facebook, once again it will open Facebook. Whatever application you want, just we should write here and it will open. Right. Now, so this is the Facebook page. This is the Facebook page. For example, this is the Facebook page. This is the Facebook application. This is the Facebook page. This is the web application. It is a web application. Facebook is web application. This web application having web elements. Web elements means like we have 6 elements. One is text box. One is text box. Select box. And button. Link. Radio button. Checkbox. These are the web elements. If it is, these are the web elements. These are the web elements. These are the web elements. So how many web elements types? We have 6. We have 6. So each and every web element having one unique location. Each and every web element having one unique location. That is called XPath. Each and every web element having one unique location. location, that is called XPath. So we need to find out the XPath. How to find the XPath? So first one, if you want to find the XPath, we need to FirePath. What is FirePath? It is a add-on of Firefox which is used for finding the XPath of the XPath of the web element. FirePath is nothing but it is a add-on of Firefox. We can get in only Firefox only. It is a add-on of Firefox which is used for finding the XPath of the web element. So Firebug we can get in Firepath we can get in Firebug. What is Firebug? It is also add-on of Firefox which is used for inspecting the web element. Inspecting the web element. Firebug is nothing but it is also add-on of Firefox which is used for inspecting the web element. So first of all we need to download Firebug and Firepath, then we can give the XPath. We can give the XPath. So how to write the code we will now we will concentrate. So now I want to enter username. So then we can write WD, just keep dot, automatically we can get number of options, just find element by dot, just by dot XPath. I'm giving XPath for example, dot send keys. I'm giving my Facebook ID, AkhilReddy, HYD1 at gmail.com. I entered username. So this is my assistant tool will do. I will not do. So my assistant will do. Selenium is my assistant. WD dot find element by dot XPath dot send keys Venkanna 143. Password is Venkanna 143 something. Venkanna 143. I want to click on sign in button, login button. WD dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving XPath dot click. So if you want to give the XPath, each and every web element having one unique location, we need to find out XPath. How to find out the XPath? First of all, we need to download Firebug and Firepath. We need to download Firebug and Firepath. How to download Firebug and Firepath? Just go to Google. Just go to Google. Download Firebug. First download Firebug. Just click on second link. Concentrate. Just click on second link. Now I am using old Firefox. So I want to click on, I want to install only Firebug old one. So click on an older version. Click on an older version. Click on an older version. Still I am using old versions only. Why I am using old version? Next class I will explain you. So I'm click on an older version. Click on 1.9. Click on 1.9.0. Click on allow. Click on install now. Restart now. Firebug is installed. Next we need to download Firepath. Next Firepath. Download Firepath. Just click on first link. Click on add to Firefox. Click on allow. Click on install now. Click on restart. So Firepath installed. How we know if it is installed or not? So just after installing Firebug and Firefox, we can get icon here. So I will show you. Concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. So today we can complete Selenium. Tomorrow onwards you can take rest. So this is the Firebug. Just that is one option. Other one is go to Firefox, web developer, Firebug. So Firebug will come. Here we have many options like this is the Firepath. Here we can get XPath. Here we can get XPath. This is the Firebug. So this is the activate. Each and every time we can activate it. So I want to work with Facebook. Facebook.com. I'm going to Facebook now. I want to get the username XPath. Just activate each and every time we should activate. 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 This is the activator. So after activator, then we can get XPath here. Firepath is on. So activate here. So now activated. I'm clicking on username field. So it will give you one XPath. Copy here. Control V. Right. I want password. Activate once again. Go to password. I'm giving copy the password. This is the XPath. It is XPath. I'm giving password. Click on V. I'm clicking on sign in login button. Activate. I'm clicking on login button. Control V. Okay. Click on done. So Facebook. This is the Facebook site. We are entering username and password. It will click on sign in button. This is Selenium. Here is no need of Java, no need of anything. Without knowing Java, without knowing anything, we can work with the Selenium. If you do Selenium, Selenium is very easy whenever you are comparing with any other technologies. So here is nothing required. Even fourth class kid also you can learn Selenium. Here is no Java, nothing will be here. But people are scam, Bob. What happened? HTTP facebook.com. Save, click on run. it entering Facebook is not clicking on login button. Why? So expert changed. So take the max one.
Again button.
Save. Click on done. You enter username, password, and login button also. So this is the concept, Selenium concept. You should remember only one thing here. You should remember only one thing here. There are 6 types of buttons. Already I told you. One is text box, select box. We will use send keys. If it is text box or select box, we will use send keys. And we have 4 more buttons. One is button, link, image, checkbox, data box. We will use send keys. Sorry, we will use click. If you know these things after this class, you can work with any application. So without my support, without any Google support, without anyone support directly, you can work with any application. If it is text box means edit box, username, password. These are the text boxes or edit boxes. Select box, we will use send keys. We can say select box, list box, combo box, drop down box. Button, link, image, checkbox, radio box. We will use click. If you know this knowledge, after this class, you can work with any application. You can take any application, practice it. Now I will send you WebDriver programs and Mozilla Firefox 12 version. So if you have latest version of Firefox, just please delete it. Okay. Why? Because whatever I am sending, that WebDriver programs is very comfortable with only Mozilla Firefox 12 version. No sir, I don't want to use your Mozilla Firefox. I want to download in online latest version. I can work with if I want WebDriver programs also, I can download in online and I can practice it. You can do it. So no objection, but it may work or not, I don't know. So why? Because whenever you are working with the Selenium, application will be changed, like properties version